Our topic for today is the place value, and we're going to extend it to decimals. So here's a quick recap of the place value. So we have the number, for example, that's right here. We have the number 500, that's right, 582. This is the number. We know in the place value, the rightmost digit here, for example, the 2, is the ones place. And we know that each digit is multiplied by 10 to move to the next digit is multiplied by 10. So for example, the ones is multiplied by 10 to move to the tens place. So 8 is in the tens place and 5 is in the hundreds place. We also know that the 2 represent the place value digit. For example, here the place value is the ones. So 2 represent 2 ones, which is also 2. Here, the 8 represent 8 tens. It doesn't represent 8. It represents the 8 tens. So we can write it represent 8 tens or 80. Here, in the hundreds place value, here the 5 represents 5 hundreds, not 5 itself. It represents 5 hundreds. So it represents 5 hundreds or 500. Now here's the catch. What will happen if we added a decimal point? We will add a decimal point here. We know that every time we multiply by 10 to move to the next digit. But if we look closer, we can also divide by 10 when moving to the right side of the digit. For example, from moving from the hundreds to the tens, we divide by 10. We divide by 10. And moving from the tens to the ones, we also divide by 10. So what will happen when we divide the ones to this place or this digit? Ones can be divided by 10 to move to the next digit. So simply 1, let's write it in white, 1 divided by 10, which is simply a tenth. So 1 divided by 10 or 1 over 10 is a tenth. So this place is known as the 10th place. This place is known as the 10th place. Also moving on to the side of it, it's also known as the 100th place. And also to the side of it here is the 1000th place. And going on, the 1000th place. The 10th value is 1 over 10, as we know. Dividing 1 over 10 by 10 is 1 over 100, which is the place value of the 100th. And the thousandths is 1 over 1,000. Let's put our real numbers here. For example, 582.763. So here the 7 actually doesn't represent a 7 itself. It actually represents 7 tenths. So 7 here represents 7 tenths. Let's erase these, for example. No, let's erase these. So here the 7 tenths can be written as 7 over 10 or 0.7. Here the 6 represents 6 hundredths, which is 6 over 100 or 0.06. Here the 3 represents 1,000, 3 thousandths, which is 3 over 1,000 or 0.003. So this is the whole place value. We can keep going to the right of the decimal, which we can see makes our number more precise or more accurate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.